First of all, allow me to express and to convey on behalf of the members of G77 our expression of sympathy and solidarity to the people and governments of both Samoa and Fiji following the damages and losses caused by Cyclone Evan. As you are fully aware, Fiji has been elected by 132 developing countries, member of G77 last September, by the Ministers of Foreign Affairs of G77 to chair this important responsibility, to assume this important responsibility in 2013. And as I indicated, as I mentioned yesterday during the workshop preparatory for chairmanship, Fiji has been a strong supporter of the vision, principles, and objectives of the Group of 77 and has been deeply committed to the cause of South-South cooperation. Therefore, we are fully confident that Fiji will discharge its responsibilities next year with devotion and commitment. The Group of 77 is the largest organization of developing nations in the United Nations. It has a membership of 132 developing countries, including China. The group was created in June '64 in Geneva, following the conclusion of the first United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. The first ministerial meeting of the group took place in Algiers, Algeria, during which the group adopted the Charter of Algiers, the first major document of the Group of 77. We have 6 chapters for the group. The headquarters of the group are based at the United Nations in New York, and we have 6 chapters based at major UN centers. 1 chapter in Geneva that deals with trade issues, 1 chapter in Paris dealing with issues of education, science, and technology, another chapter in Rome, Italy, dealing with the issues of agriculture and food, 1 chapter in Vienna, Austria, dealing with the issues of new renewable sources of energy and industrialization. And finally, we have another chapter in Nairobi, dealing with the issues of environment and sustainable development. We have another chapter which is based in Washington, D.C. that deals with monetary and financial issues, and we call it the G24. The group has been active over the past 48 years, and most of major documents, decisions, and resolutions that are adopted by the General Assembly and its main committees are initiated by the G77 at the United Nations. So the group has been very active in terms of North-South negotiations, North-South dialogue, as well as in terms of South-South cooperation. The chairmanship of the group rotates between the 3 regions that compose our organization: Latin America and the Caribbean, Africa, Asia, and the Pacific. The last 2 chairs of the group, Argentina, on behalf of Latin America and the Caribbean, chaired the Group of 77 in 2011, and Algeria is chairing the Group of 77 this year on behalf of the African group. The agenda of the group next year is going to be very heavy agenda, very busy year, with major issues to be implemented, to be tackled by developing countries. I would like just to mention some of these important issues, major issues that will be addressed next year under the chairmanship of Fiji. First, we'll have the follow-up and the implementation of the outcome of Rio Conference on Sustainable Development that took place last June in Rio, Brazil. We'll have also next year a conference on natural disasters that will take place in Geneva. And this is a very important topic for developing countries, and this issue will be addressed by our group next year. We'll have also a conference, the preparations for a UN conference on small islands developing states that will take place in Samoa in 2014. However, the preparations will take place starting next year. And finally, we'll have the issue of South-South cooperation, which is very, very critical. This is very important because this is the core mandate of G77 dealing with South-South cooperation and finding the ways and means to identify all potentialities and possibilities for cooperation among developing countries in various fields of cooperation. This is the issue which was mandated by the two summits of G77. The first South Summit took place in April 2000 in Havana, Cuba. The second South Summit took place in Qatar, Doha, in June 2005. Finally, I would like just to mention that in my capacity as Executive Secretary of the Group of 77, I'm very confident that Fiji will assume this responsibility next year with the support of all member states. And as Secretariat, I would like to seize this opportunity again to pledge our full support to the people and the government of Fiji. I thank you.